Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today we have a great topic, jobs. We'll be talking about different kinds of jobs, dream jobs, and what people like or dislike about their work.
Yes, everyone has a job or wants one. So, Jack, let's check some key words. 1. Job. Work that a person does to earn money. 2. Career. A person's professional life or long-term job path. 3. Occupation. Another word for job or profession. 4. Profession. A type of job that requires special training or education. Example, doctor, teacher. 5. Employee. A person who works for someone or a company. 6. Employer. A person or company that hires workers. 7. Colleague. A person who works with you at the same company or organization. 8. Workplace. The place where you work. Example, office, school, factory. 9. Resume, CV. A written summary of your education, work experience, and skills. 10. Interview. A meeting where someone is asked questions to decide if they get a job. 11. Salary. The money you earn from your job, usually paid every month. 12. Wage. Money earned by the hour or day, usually for part-time or manual work. 13. Boss. The person in charge at your job. 14. Manager. A person who organizes and supervises employees or projects. 15. Teamwork. Working together with other people to achieve a goal. 16. Responsibility. Something you must do as part of your job. 17. Task. A small job or piece of work that you need to complete. 18. Deadline. The final time or date when something must be done. 19. Full-time job. A job where you work the normal number of hours per week, usually around 40 hours. 20. Part-time job. A job where you work fewer hours than a full-time job. Okay, Jack, what do you do for a living?
Well, I work as an English teacher. I've been teaching for about 5 years now.
That's great. What do you like most about being a teacher?
I think the best part is meeting new students from different countries. I love helping people learn and seeing them improve their English skills.
That's wonderful. Teaching is such a rewarding job.
How about you, Emma? What's your job?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company and I create posters, logos, and social media designs.
Wow, that sounds creative. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, most of the time. I like working on new projects and designing things that catch people's attention. But sometimes deadlines can be stressful.
Yeah, every job has its challenges. What does your typical workday look like?
I usually start work at 9 a.m. I check my emails, have a meeting with the marketing team, and then spend most of the day designing on my computer. What about you?
My workday is quite different. I teach both online and in-person classes. I prepare lessons, check homework, and sometimes join school meetings.
Sounds busy. Do you ever get tired of teaching?
Sometimes, yes, especially when students don't do their homework. But overall, I really love my job.
That's good. So, Jack, what was your first job?
Oh, my first job was working at a coffee shop when I was a student. I made coffee, served customers, and cleaned tables.
Nice. I think everyone should work in customer service once. It teaches patience and communication.
You're right. What about your first job?
I worked as a part-time assistant in a bookstore. I arranged books and helped customers find what they wanted.
That sounds peaceful. Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it. I'm a big reader, so it was fun to be surrounded by books all day.
That's great. Now, let's talk about dream jobs. What's your dream job, Emma?
My dream job would be to work as a travel photographer. I love taking pictures and visiting new places.
That's amazing. So you'd get paid to travel and take photos? That sounds perfect.
Exactly. How about you, Jack? What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel blogger or a podcaster full-time, making content, traveling, meeting people, and sharing stories.
That fits you so well. You're already a great talker.
Thank you. You know, a lot of people today work online. There are so many remote jobs now, like virtual assistants, digital marketers, freelance writers, or even online teachers.
Yes, the internet has changed the job world completely. Many people can work from home now.
Do you prefer working from home or at the office?
I prefer working from home. I can save time, wear comfortable clothes, and make my own coffee.
True, but I prefer working at school because I like being around people and feeling the classroom energy.
That's fair. Everyone has different preferences. So, Emma, what do you think makes a job satisfying? Good question. I think a satisfying job is one where you feel appreciated and you enjoy what you do. Of course, salary is important too, but happiness matters more.
I agree. A high salary doesn't always mean happiness. Some people earn a lot but feel stressed all the time.
Exactly. It's about balance, earning enough to live well and doing something meaningful.
Totally. What jobs do you think are the most difficult?
Maybe doctors and nurses. They have to work long hours and make very important decisions.
Yes, their job is full of responsibility. I also think construction workers and firefighters have really tough jobs too.
True, every job is important in its own way.
Let's talk about job interviews. Do you remember your first interview?
Yes, I was so nervous. The interviewer asked, "Why should we hire you?" And I completely froze.
Oh no, but you still got the job, right?
Yes, luckily I did. How about you?
My first interview was for a teaching position. They asked me to give a short demo lesson. I was so nervous, I forgot to write my name on the board.
That's funny, but we all learn from experience.
Exactly. Job interviews can be stressful, but preparation helps a lot.
Yes, practice common questions like, "Tell me about yourself," or "What are your strengths and weaknesses?"
Right. And always research the company before the interview.
Good advice. Before we end today's podcast, let's quickly talk about jobs people want in the future.
Good idea. I think in the future, there will be more technology jobs like AI engineers, data analysts, and app developers.
Yes, and more creative jobs too, like content creators, influencers, and digital artists.
The world is changing fast, but no matter what, people will always need teachers, doctors, and engineers.
True. Listeners, what's your dream job? Let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast.
See you next time for another English conversation. Bye.
Bye-bye.